The features that I like the most about D&D's NCLEX exit exam review is that they provided over 100 questions of every topic along with rationales related to the questions. I would also like to recommend D&D's NCLEX review to any of my friends and family who plan to go into the nursing field. The way I would describe the way they provided service to me was that they were extremely helpful. They responded instantly to any questions or concerns I had. D&D's review program did help me achieve my goal of passing the exit exam. I learned a lot from all the live lectures, and it was a good refresher from everything we learned in school. I would also like to add that I like the fact that they provided us with 2 full weeks of live lectures and 2 full weeks of practice exams soon enough before we took our final exit exam.